The Texas Health and Human Services Commission says it will ask the Biden administration again to approve the state's 1115 waiver it rescinded earlier this year. In lieu of the state expanding Medicaid coverage, it provides millions in federal funding to hospitals to care for the uninsured. As KXAN's Maggie Glenn reports, Texas lawmakers are quickly running out of time to make any substantial changes this session.
The Senate Committee on Health and Human Services is hearing a bill Wednesday that would extend Medicaid coverage for new mothers in Texas from 60 days after giving birth to a full year.
And it is the good and right thing to do, and it does protect children, the unborn children, and then postpartum.
It has Republican support, but it's one of the only Medicaid expansion bills that has a chance of surviving this session.
But what happens after 12 months? We still have parents who are not covered and kids who are not covered.
Democrats say it's not enough and are disappointed the legislature will not be expanding coverage again this session.
That would be about 2.2 million Texans. These are working Texans who right now make too much money under the old system, under the current Medicaid level that we have in Texas. But with this expansion, they would get caught up in it.
The hope to expand amped up even more after the Biden administration struck down the state's 1115 waiver this spring.
We're doing some reimbursement with the waiver to people who help care for the uninsured, but we're not getting extra coverage.
The state has been depending on the waiver since the Affordable Care Act became law a decade ago. It was meant as a temporary safety net, but Republicans have been leaning on it while opposing full expansion.
Republicans opposed the Affordable Care Act, saw it as an inappropriate extension of federal authority into health care, have long defended, the state's prerogatives in setting Medicaid benefit levels at its own discretion.
The state will now be trying to amend the waiver to get approval from the feds before the current waiver expires in 2022.
That was Maggie Glenn reporting. The Texas Hospital Association says it supports the renewal of the waiver in addition to the permanent expansion of Medicaid coverage in Texas.